chug, 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 chug. Guys, this has probably been the best party I've ever had, and I would do it any day with you guys, but
Woo, go!
Go have sex with that monkey.
I'd rather have to do with the unicorn.
Monkey!
Oh, dude, there's a unicorn right there. Oh my god, I think I'm high.
Monkey!
Get out of seconds for that unicorn, guys. Get out of here.
Monkey!
Wait. Get out of here for a few seconds. Go, get out. Oh, get out, guys. Gotta get back up.
Oh!
Rose! Gotta get off for school! Go! Come on, man! School! Let's go!
What?
There's a test today! We gotta go to school! Go!
Man, that party was freaking crazy. Oh, it's vibrating. Hello? Yeah, this is him. You're outside? Oh, sweet. Get my drugs early today. Oh, I'm gonna get a few more shots in before then. So I'll just drink the whole thing. Oh, I still have a nug. Oh, dude. What's this? Oh man, this must be Griffin's laptop. Run, little way, run. Oh my god, that party was sick last night. I mean it. There's people running all over the place. Someone almost actually got shot. I think I had sex with the unicorn. Man, oh dude, it's already nighttime. I've slept a really long time, haven't I? Man, I've messed me jacked up. Oh, I don't even live here. Man, I told them to pick up the trash. See what happens when you get the community involved? Trash gets spread all over the place. I'm gonna light up my nug. Just like always. Yeah. Yeah, just right this way. Speedy! What's up, my brother? Man, you got the stuff? Yes, I do. Which one? Oh, that's so sweet. Are you a cop? No, man. No. Oh, crap.